Guys, so today I'm going to show you this look here, which has been my go-to fall look with my new Urban Decay Naked palette, which I love so much. I know I've been gone for quite a while, but so many things have happened in my life, and I might make a video on that a little bit later on, but for right now I'll just show you this look that I've been going to, and I hope you like it, and let's jump into this video. Alright, so first I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless in 112 for my foundation. So foundation is now on. So now I'm just going to set my face with my Marcelle face powder just to make sure that my foundation doesn't go anywhere for the day. So next is going to be doing my contour with my Bobbi Brown bronzer. Excuse the little cat noises going on. She's being very curious apparently. So for blush I'm going to use the Urban Decay Gwen Stifani palette. And the one I've been loving the most is Easy, which is this guy right here. I find I go for a darker color normally in the wintertime. I don't know why. I just sometimes like having a little bit more rosy cheeks in the wintertime. For highlight, I'm actually going to use this little Elizabeth Arden tray one. I'm going to use the really light pink down here. I'm going to move into my eyes, which I'm going to prime first with the Smashbox 24-hour photo finish, which I just recently bought this, and I have to say I've been loving this so much. My eyeshadow doesn't go anywhere for the day, which is so incredibly nice. So we're just going to take the tiniest little amount. Literally all you need is like that much for both eyelids. It's amazing. Fun part with my new absolute favorite palette. I'm so glad I bought this, which is the Naked Heat palette. I am in love with these colors. Just look at them. So beautiful. So our first color for the crease is going to be in Fuego, which is this color here. Crease color done, and then we'll go in with Ashes just to kind of darken it up just a little bit. So now we have our two-tone crease going on, and then just for like the little bit of the outer corners I'm going to go in with the Lumbre, which is this color here. So just kind of brought that to the middle of the eye. So then to finish off the eyes, we're going to use the Gwen Stifani eyeshadow palette, which are these gorgeous colors here. So for continuing on, I'm going to go in with this one here, which is Baby. to just before the little inner crease. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of this 1987, just kind of in between the two darker colors, just to kind of give a little bit more depth to the look. So as you can see, there's a little bit of gold going on in the center there. And then to do my inner corners, I'm going to finish off with this one here, which is Pop. So it's a super light shimmery color. So as you can see, it just kind of brightens up the corners of my eyes a little bit. And then I'm going to continue to bring it down through the bottom lash line as well. So my inner corners are very bright now. And then for doing my bottom lash line, I'm just going to go in with Baby here first. Just to about here on my eye. And then we'll be going back into the Urban Decay Naked palette to do the outer corner. So I'm going to do my outer corner in the Lumbre, which is this color here. So there's my bottom lashes done. So now I'll just use my regular mascara, which is the Avon Super Shock Max one. So there's my top lashes done. And I'm just going to kind of go over the bottom ones just a little bit, just to kind of make them stand out just a little bit more. So as you can see, just standing out a little bit, have a little clumpy, but we'll sort them out. There we are. Now we'll do the final step, which is my lips. So as always, I'm starting off with my lip chap, which is the Burt's Bees, because I can't get enough of it. And then I'm going to use my NYX Lingerie. This one is in, I can never find the colors on these things, Bedtime Flirt. So I'm just going to grab a mirror because I can't do this without a mirror. I've tried before, it ends in complete disaster. Finger trick. And now our look is complete. Alright guys, well that's been my fall look with my new palettes, and I hope you really enjoyed it. It's super fun for me to film these makeup videos for you guys. And like I said, I've been loving this look. I've so branched out from what I'm normally used to. I normally do like my neutral tones and everything, but this is so different to what I'm used to doing, which I think I like a lot more. I'm starting to branch out in the makeup scene, which is really nice. But yeah, I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button to let me know that you're liking these videos. And if there's anything you want to see me do on my channel, just leave it down in the comment section below, and I will see as many as I can to get through to do. And if you are liking my content too, don't forget to subscribe and hit the little notification guys so you know when my videos go live. I also will put them on my Facebook page, and I normally do it to all my social medias, so if you want any of my social media stuff, it's down in the description box below as well. And again, I hope you guys like this video, and I will talk to you guys later.